Ashley. This is my 3D print video for the Skyrim event quest marker. Okay, so I just printed the two parts for the Skyrim quest marker, and the next step is just snapping them together. I don't even think I need any glue. I did a test snap and it kind of goes in there really snug. Alright, so yeah, I just kind of snapped it in and put a little super glue, and yeah, this looks pretty good. This is a model that I found on Thingiverse, and it took about 6 hours to print both parts. The inner, or I guess the black part, took about 4 hours, and the white part took about 2 hours. I printed them both in atomic filament. The black is their black PLA, and their white is their PETG. I only used PETG because that's the only white that I had on hand. But yeah, you know, I printed this on my Prusa i3 MK2S, and it's just a really nice print. I'm really happy with how it turned out, and I'm going to hang it in my garage because that is forever a quest destination for me. So yeah, I'm pretty happy with this.